Hi everyone, Tim from SmartFleet here. What we've got the Brolga, and it's running a Raspberry Pi with the AirMarket RTM aircraft agent. This is our first test of the agent in a real plane. We're basically just going to take it up and we should be able to see an aircraft register show up on the FlySafe dashboard, and then as we fly we should actually get live tracking of the plane on the dashboard. So stick around, it could be interesting.
If you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. And please share this video with others. It's really important. It helps me to keep this channel going. I'm recording this video on the traditional homeland of the Métis people of Alberta, the Inuit, and the ancestral territory of the Cree, Dene, Anishinaabe, Blackfoot, Saulteaux, and the Nakota Sioux since time immemorial. The word Niska is the Cree word for goose. Thank you. Kananas Komitanawa.